Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the city of Den Bosch, located in the province of Brabant. This city also goes by the name Hertogenbosch, but Den Bosch is more common, so we will use that. This is the way us Dutchies say Den Bosch. Den Bosch. There is a light emphasis on the last part. Den Bosch. Den Bosch. In this case we don't pronounce the CH, which would technically be a harsh G, a ch. So this time you're lucky. Just an S at the end. Den Bosch. I'm going to drive to Den Bosch. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!